Jellyfish are interesting because they're unique and they have a wide variety of species. The word jellyfish covers a wide assortment of the animals. They live in salt water and fresh water. In this speech, I'll clue you in on how jellyfish eat, breathe, and develop. Jellyfish are one of the most oldest multi-organed animals, like almost dinosaur old, so we might as well learn what they are, even if they don't impact us very much. Jellyfish are bell-shaped with translucent skin and they have tentacles. They use the long tentacles to capture food and maneuver around with the water. Some jellyfish have sharp, poisonous barbs on their tentacles, but not all of them are fatal. Jellyfish do not purposely attack people, only prey. But you should still watch where you swim. Jellyfish are invertebrates. This means they don't have any spines. Jellyfish are 95% water. They have 2 layers of skin to hold them all together. So when you take them out of the water, they're not much to look at. Jellyfish are carnivores. The most popular thing jellyfish eat are brine shrimp. They're very small, and whales eat them too. But some jellyfish eat plankton or fish eggs. What jellyfish eats depends on their size, how big they are, how big their mouth is, and how much they need to eat. But because jellyfish are see-through, you can see them digest their food, and jellyfish digest their food very quickly. Jellyfish are eaten by turtles. This is the most common fact about jellyfish, because of Nemo. But some people actually eat dried jellyfish. I've never tried it. When large groups of jellyfish show up, scientists call it a bloom. Jellyfish move in groups of their own kind, in their own subspecies, because not all jellyfish can live with each other. Some jellyfish aren't immune to other jellyfish's poison, so they can't swim together. And jellyfish can live in different temperatures of water. Larger jellyfishes can withstand colder waters, and the smaller jellyfishes tend to live in the tropics. Some jellyfish don't have eyes, or brains, or lungs. Jellyfish breathe through their skin. Or they don't have gills, as in lungs, is what I meant. And jellyfish biology is very interesting because some of them do have brains, more than one. Some of them have more than 2 eyes. Jellyfish are very, very interesting. So the life cycle of a jellyfish starts when the female releases the eggs, and then it gets fertilized by the male's sperm, and it turns into a larva. The larva then attaches itself to the ocean floor and turns into a polyp. A polyp is kind of like a fish cocoon. The polyp then transforms and produces a young medusa. They call the jellyfish Medusa because, like Medusa, they got all the tentacles, like she had the snakes for hair. And then the young Medusa will grow into an adult jellyfish. The average lifespan of a jellyfish is a year, but that's just average. Some of them live longer and some of them live very shorter. There are many different types of jellyfish. Size is the easiest way to tell them apart. Some jellyfish are 2.5 centimeters, and other jellyfish can be 150 feet, not including their tentacles. Jellyfish have different patterns and colors, too. Some of them look like zebras, others have leopards, rainbow, black and white. They're very pretty. Even the tentacles look different. Some of them could be made out of lace, and others are bubble-looking. Out of this world. Jellyfish are strange, but they're also stunning in more ways than one. The most poisonous jellyfish is the box jelly. You do not want to get stung by this jellyfish. The second most poisonous is the irukandji jellyfish. It's very small, and it's not rare, but you should still watch where you swim. The third most poisonous jellyfish is the Portuguese man-of-war. This purple jellyfish is very popular in Portuguese and very dangerous. Most people get stung by a Portuguese man-of-war when they accidentally step on it because it's covered in sand. The fourth most poisonous jellyfish is the largest jellyfish. It's called the lion's mane. That's the one that can reach 150 meters. It's very dangerous because it's so big and it can sting you so many times. The fifth most poisonous jellyfish is called the sea nettle, and it's adorable. Not all jellyfish are dangerous. Some of them, it's like being pinched, and some of them need to be treated immediately. There was a myth that if you stepped on a sea urchin and you peed on it, it would counteract the poison and save you. That does not work with jellyfish. Some scientists have shown that with some jellyfish, peeing on it actually makes it worse. Do not pee on a jellyfish wound. It does not help. Going to a hospital is the best bet, because not all jellyfish are fatal, but if it's not treated properly, then it is fatal. These are all facts about jellyfish, and they're very interesting.